Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kurnia Desiandura. I'm from Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, University of Wijayakusuma, Surabaya. In this event, that is fourth International Conference on Veterinary Medicine and Health Science, or ACVMHS 2024, I would like to present our research with the title is Pathological Study of Aeromonas hydrophila infection in Nila tilapia Oreochromis niloticus in traditional fish farm in Surabaya. Previously, I will explain the background of the research. That is the background of the research. Nila tilapia is one of the freshwater that is commonly cultivated and has great potential to be developed for fisher business in Indonesia because it has high economic value. However, the business is not free from various problems, that is like pests and disease. And those problems have negative impact such as decrease of production, decrease of water quality, and even death a lot of fish are totally dead. The cause of the disease comes from pathogenic agent, such as the virus, parasite, and bacteria. And one of the bacterial disease that often becomes an obstacle in tilapia cultivation is Aeromonas hydrophila. Needs comprehensive analysis for provide valuable insight into the complex interplay of bacterial infection in nilai tilapia, shedding light on the anatomic pathology, histopathological and clinical aspect of the disease. The finding contribute to a better understanding of the etiology and pathologies of the observed clinical manifestation, guiding future research and intervention strategies in fish health management. And that is the material and methods of the research, starting from a study period on April until May 2024, and type of research is bee survey method with fish sampling location in traditional fish farm Surabaya, and after that preparing sampling. So we can next step, necropsy and sampling organs on the pathology laboratory, University of Wijayakusuma Surabaya. That is microscopic observation or pathology anatomy and microscopic observation or histopathology. And the histopathology preparation with hematoxylin eosin stain and in on the Integrated Research Laboratory, Faculty of Dentistry, Gadjah Mada University. After that, in microbiological examination at Microbiology Laboratory in University of Wijayakusuma Surabaya, we can do the TSA media agar, gram staining, biochemical tests such as catalase, TSEA, HCA, urease, SIM, MR, and VP. After that, clinical the clinical pathology is hematology analysis performed on clinical pathology laboratory in University of Wijayakusuma Surabaya, such as RBC, WBC, PCV and MGV, MGV, MGH and MGHC, and TPP. So the all data obtained from these research is present using the qualitative descriptive analysis method. The next step is result and discussion. That is the results of macroscopic or pathology anatomy examination. The protocol number, the fish is F19, and the clinical symptoms is body weight is 1 kilos and weak and swim to the surface, hemorrhage and on the pectoral fin and the abdomen of the fish. After that, the physical examination and anatomical pathology is hemorrhage. Hemorrhage on pectoral fin and abdomen of the fish, exophthalmia, pale gills, and rupture. The liver organ is pale, yellowish like icterus. The linear hemorrhage, rubbery consistency, and wet incision. Uh, that is the tail. The tail of the fish is hemorrhage. The next is pathology examination microscopic. That is histopathological examination. This is gill histopathological examination. You can see the gill rupture in the secondary lamella. You can see telangiectasis, erosion of the primary lamella, hemorrhage and necrosis accompanied by fluid and infiltration, inflammatory cell infiltration. That's the purple cell. After that, histopathological examination. You can see congest of the hepatic portal vein, hemorrhage, and inflammatory cell infiltration, and hemosiderosis. The last is tail skin histopathological examination. There is the inflammatory cell infiltration. The next is microbiological examination. For diagnose Aeromonas hydrophila, swab on the eye, kidney, and liver organs abnormal, and you can culture in the TSA or tryptophan soya agar media. After that, the gram staining and biochemical test. The result of the gram staining is gram-negative, and the gram-negative bacterium, the has a short rod morphology and right with varying size. The biochemical test result, that is catalase, TSEA, SGA, SIM, and MR is positive, but the urease and VP have a negative result. So the next step is hematology analysis. That is the result. The interpretation is anemia macrocytic hyperchromic with hyperfibrinogenemia, and the interpretation differential counting calculation is lymphocytopenia, monocytopenia, and basophilia. The conclusion, that is comprehensive pathological analysis important to examine fish infected with Aeromonas hydrophila bacteria. Through microbiological examination for finding and growing of bacteria in the media, gram staining, and biochemical tests prove the presence of these bacteria. On macroscopic and microscopic examination, there were abnormalities such as necrosis, hemorrhage, and inflammation of the gills, liver, and tail skin of the fish. In addition, the hematology results showed macrocytic anemia hypochromic, hyperfibrinogenemia, neutropenia, lymphocytopenia, monocytopenia, and basophilia. And there are some the reference that I use for the result of this research. So that's all my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.